everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Here we're going to take this pink color of paper, fold it into half, then tug it from the sides and then press it, flip it and again fold it, and look, it is ready. You can store it like this. Here, take this blue color of paper, fold it into half and then divide it into two. You can see the cross mark. You have to fold it like this. Cut it, open it, and you will get this pentagon shape. Now fold it again and start folding it from the corners. Look like this. Finally open it. We're going to make the crease here. You can see those lines and then start folding it from the corners again. Now fold it into half from the bottom as well. Open it again and then gently press it. Look like this. You will get this diamond shape. Now start folding it. We're going to here make the mini star at the center. Folding it from all the sides, gently open it and look, your star shape is ready. Let's make paper heart today. Here we're going to take this printed paper, fold it and make this triangular shape. Fold it from the corners. Look how we're doing here in this video. Repeat the same from other side and cut it using a cutter. Now gently fold it and it's ready. We're going to take this mini square printed paper and fold it from the sides. Now again fold it and make this strip. Now tuck the paper inside from the corners and fold it into half. After this, we're going to make 8 such shapes and tuck all of them together and make a circle. Look like this, and look, it's ready. We're going to paste the base using a tape and put the handles and bow, and look, your basket is ready. Here we are going to take printed paper and start folding it like this. Using this clipper, we are going to tuck the paper inside as it is very small. Look how we are doing here like this. We are going to make the front part of the sandal and keep it aside. Now take another piece of paper and fold it like this. We are making 2 folds here. Now again tuck the paper inside. Look like this. Fold it and then press it. After this, we are going to make a shape like this and put both of them together. Paste the bow on the top and it's ready. We're going to take this mini square paper and fold it and make this shape. Now we're going to make the flower better look. Press it from the top and make 8 such shapes and paste all of them on the top of this circle. Let's make a stick and the frill as well. Combine all of them and look, it is ready. Here we're going to take this printed paper and fold it from the corners. After this, we're going to press it and make this mini fold from the top. Now we're going to make this cone shape as you can see and keep it aside. Let's make the heart shape now. Take another piece of paper and then fold it like we're doing here in this video. Fold it from the top and make a cut at the center. Now fold it from the corners and merge both of them. Now tuck it inside the cone and it's ready. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and share with your friends.